Home Minister of India. So what, how do you see this development in the Manipur?
I was just trying to check it, about this information. I got it just as I landed in Delhi today. Now that I talked to people in Imphal, and they said this. Initially, I was skeptical whether it is fake news or that this drama of resignation has happened before also. So, but it seems that it's true that the governor's paper that his resignation has been accepted. That paper has come in. But whatever it is, I think what people of Manipur deserves is a responsible government who can deal with the situations, because it's an unprecedented chaos that we have seen, subversion of all the propriety of constitutional order. Economy has been destroyed. So many lives have been lost, and thousands of people have still been languishing in relief camps. So we deserve a responsible government, and I think that's the first thought that I have.
So what will be the governor's rule or a new CM? What will be the next?
It is very tricky. Incidentally, tomorrow we are supposed to have our assembly sessions, because you have to have this within 6 months period as stipulated in the Constitution. So I've heard that the governor's secretariat has confirmed that tomorrow the session will not begin. But as of now, there is no formal notification of President's rule being imposed. When you put the assembly under animated suspension or dissolve, either way, it will be what is conventionally called President's rule, Article 356. That hasn't come in, so we don't know. Tonight, are they going to install the new chief ministers? By tomorrow, at least, it has to be done. Otherwise, the assembly has to be convened, or otherwise, assembly has to be put under animated suspension or dissolved. Either way, and the government of India have to take over, or else a new chief minister takes over. That's the situation. So we will be watching till tomorrow.